Literary Stories of Jabalpur. The activities of Hari Singh Ruprah Arts, Commerce and Law College is not only confined to teaching the classes of their students, but are also extended in educating the lawyers, especially the young lawyers, about law, legal history and legal ethics. One such pursuit, we will be presenting you series of episodes highlighting the life and experiences and achievements of some famous legal luminaries who have contributed in building up a strong judiciary in Jabalpur. The first episode, of course, will be presented by Honorable Sardar Narinderpal Singh Ruprah, Advocate, Chairman of the College and the Secretary of our Sikh Education Society. The purpose of this episode is to inspire the youth of Jabalpur as well as Madhya Pradesh. They can serve the society and also win a pride place for themselves in the same manner in which the legal luminaries have done in their lives, whose stories will be followed in this series. Thank you.
नमस्कार। जबलपुर की गौरव गाथाएं हरि सिंह रूपराह कला वाणिज्य एवं विधि महाविद्यालय जबलपुर की गतिविधियां मात्र महाविद्यालय में शिक्षण तक ही सीमित नहीं है, बल्कि अधिवक्ताओं, खासकर युवा अधिवक्ताओं को भी कानून, विधिक इतिहास एवं व्यावसायिक नैतिकता की शिक्षा देने तक विस्तारित है। इसी क्रम में हम आपके सामने कथांशों की श्रृंखला प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। प्रथम अंतरकथा हमारे महाविद्यालय के माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय एवं सिख एजुकेशन सोसाइटी के सचिव माननीय सरदार नरिंदरपाल सिंह रूपराह प्रस्तुत करेंगे। इन कथांशों की श्रृंखला का ध्येय जबलपुर और पूरे मध्य प्रदेश के युवाओं को गौरवान्वित करना है, जिससे वे प्रेरणा ले सके कि जैसे दर्शाई जा रही विधिक हस्तियों ने यहाँ की धरती को गौरवान्वित किया है, ऐसे ही अगली पीढ़ी भी समाज और देश के निर्माण में अपना योगदान देकर खुद भी एक मुकाम हासिल करें। धन्यवाद।
Sir Hari Singh Gaur was born on 26th November 1870 to a poor family near Sagar in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Hari Singh's father was a carpenter. At the age of 10, he won a scholarship of rupees 2 per month, and later on, with the help of another scholarship, he went to Jabalpur to undertake his matriculation. Gaur received his BA in 1892 from London, MA in 1896, LLM in 1902, and finally LLD in 1908. After his time at Cambridge, he read for D.Litt and LLD at Trinity College, Dublin. He received honorary D.Litt from Delhi University, where he also served as the first Vice Chancellor. The important positions held by him were first Vice Chancellor of University of Delhi and Nagpur University, founder and Vice Chancellor of University of Sagar, member of the Simon Commission, a member of the Constituent Assembly, conferred knighthood by the British Crown, that is why he is called Sir, and President of the High Court Bar Association Nagpur, which is now the High Court Bar Association Jabalpur. The Nagpur High Court is the Nagpur bench of Mumbai High Court. The original Nagpur High Court has come to Jabalpur. As a lawyer and revenue officer in Jabalpur, in 1893, Sir Hari Singh Gaur successfully managed to dispose of 300 pending cases in 1 year only. We are so proud that we belong to a state and to a city which was the Karam Bhumi and the birthplace of Sir Hari Singh Gaur. There is one incident about him which I know personally, which I wanted that it should be related by the then senior advocate, Sir Shri K.P. Munshi advocate, to my wife. Because I am son of an advocate, so I knew many things, many stories which pass on from generation to generation in the legal fraternity. But my wife is not from a lawyer's family. So after I got married, Shri K.P. Munshi was coming to dad's chamber. I was there, my father was there, my wife was there. So my dad offered Shri K.P. Munshi his own seat, and then Shri K.P. Munshi related one incident which I like to tell to you. In 1947, 8 kings of princely states of India were in a dilemma, were in a confusion whether to join the Indian Union, India, or whether to form their own union of Indian princely states. For that purpose, they wanted some expert legal opinion. So they wanted to hire the services of the ultimate expert on the topic, who was Sir Hari Singh Gaur, who was also the author of Law of Transfer in British India and the Penal Laws of India. So they could not engage him directly. They went to Shri K.P. Munshi, who was a young boy at that time, new advocate. So they asked him that let us go and engage Shri Sir Hari Singh Gaur and take his advice whether we should join India or we should form our own union of Indian princely states. So they went to Sir Hari Singh Gaur's office. They were respectfully offered a seat outside and a water and coffee and everything. And then they had a consultation with Sir Hari Singh Gaur. Again they were asked to wait outside for their final legal opinion. Thereafter, they were asked to deposit rupees 16,000. Rupees 16,000 by 8 princes. Really, they questioned in front of Shri K.P. Munshi that why 8 princes will pay 16,000? So the answer came from Sir Hari Singh Gaur. It is below the dignity of a sovereign to pay less than rupees 2,000. Naturally, they had to pay rupees 16,000, after which a typed legal opinion was given to them. And in that it was written, in the opinion of Sir Hari Singh Gaur, all the princely states are advised to join India and not to form their own Indian Union of Princely States. So that was Sir Hari Singh Gaur's great thing. Important for me also to disclose to you the view of Sir Hari Singh Gaur on Indian Penal Code as far as the severity of punishment is concerned. In the opinion of Sir Hari Singh Gaur, the Indian Penal Code is draconian in its severity with regard to punishment. No civilized country today imposes such heavy sentences as does the Indian Penal Code. Heavy sentences have long gone out of fashion in India, and the order of sanctity and perfection attaching to Indian Penal Code should not deter indigenous legislations and to thoroughly revise these sentences, bringing them into conformity with modern civilized standards. Today we are seeing still the situation is the same. The severity of punishment is being increased. Death sentence for this, death sentence for that. That was not in consonance with the view of Sir Hari Singh Gaur.